right, this is group 3 of the cat muscles. I have I've pulled the fascia off the rectus abdominis in this area, but we went right between the rectus abdominis and the external oblique, and you can kind of see the fibers run this way on the external oblique. We got in there and separated it from the muscles underneath, so I'm going to put a white pin here. It's our external oblique. And then sometimes a little bit further back, not all the way to the rectus abdominis, is the internal oblique here. These fibers run this way. So external runs this way, internal runs this way. So we get a crisscross effect of the fibers. Get that in there, orange for internal oblique. And then I was able to get the rectus abdominis. The fascia has been removed right here. The linea alba is running right along here. So fascia has been removed on this portion. This is the rectus abdominis. These fibers run lengthwise. We'll make that, we'll do that green. And then I separated that from this muscle underneath here. This is our transversus abdominis, and we're back to kind of a direction sort of like the external oblique. You can see some of the fascia here moving this way, but if I pull on it, you can see that the fibers are actually more this way, okay? So we'll give that light green. No, purple. That's internal oblique. Now, the external oblique and the internal oblique and the transversus abdominis are all there to compress the abdomen. The external oblique is originating from the ribs and the fascia of the back, so it's originating back here, and then inserting on the linea alba. So kind of cut it away from that. The internal oblique and the transversus abdominis with the external oblique are all compressing the abdomen. The rectus abdominis, with the fibers running this way from the pubic symphysis all the way down in the pelvic region up to the xiphoid process of the sternum, with the fibers running this direction, that's going to allow the cat to do the little crunch thing here to bring the front and the back of the body up together. This is what we use for sit-ups. Okay, so if you want to develop these muscles in here, you got to do sit-ups.